In this video, you will learn how to create different product options for your BIM component. Product options can be switched on or off in Liftdesigner simply by adding or removing the corresponding checkmark. They can be selected in two different docking windows, either under Properties or under Options and Rules. Let's set this up step by step. In the DigiPara Liftdesigner Data Manager, open the Profile group and switch to the tab Global Subgrouping. Add two new rows and name them Fixing Option 1 and Fixing Option 2. Then return to Liftdesigner and add a new profile to your BIM component. This new profile is automatically placed at the base point of the BIM component. Rotate it as needed using the X, Y, and Z coordinates. Define the size and correct position through 3D parameters and equations in the Properties docking window. For dx or pdx, enter the 3D parameter pbu_dy. For dy or pdy, enter for example 120 mm. For dz, use the parameter pbu_dz. For s and t, simply enter the value 5 mm. To position the profile correctly, enter into x0 the equation from Profile 1. Existing equations can easily be copied from one profile to another using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Once the profile is fully defined, copy it, rotate it around Z, and adjust the signs in the equations to define the opposite position. Now assign these profiles to the prepared BIM component product options. In this case, assign them to Fixing Option 2. Fixing Option 1 represents the original component without the L profiles. And the standard option is simply the U profile without any additional elements. Thanks for watching!